everybody, do you see me? One, two, three, blue! So now, hi everybody, how are you today? Do you know my name? My name is Tommy, Tommy. Today we are talking about a forest that gains lots of rain. There's two types, Amazon and tropical. Do you know what kind of forest it is? It is a rainforest. So now are you ready? Let's get started. Rainforests give us air. They give us plants, animals, and medicine too. A rainforest has lots and lots of trees. It gets lots of rain. Many kinds of plants and animals live in rainforests. Wild pigs live in rainforests. So do snakes. A rainforest is also home to birds and bugs. Trees here can grow 150 feet tall. That's even taller than an elephant, but it's shorter than a giraffe. Plants have big and bright flowers. Some rainforests are home to tall bamboo for pandas to eat, or giant pandas to eat. People make pills out of tree bark and plants in the rainforest. 1,000 of these pills have been discovered. We use them in our life, right? These pills help lots of people, from young people to old people. We must save our rainforest. So now I will talk about more about rainforest. Do you know how many trees are there in the rainforest? There are 900 billion 900 billion thousand kinds of trees. Trees in the rainforest, and 16,000 kinds of trees. Some of them have been ruined or smashed or destroyed by people. They pollute the air. They also cut down trees. What happens if all of our rainforests will disappear, and even all our trees? Do you know what is it? If our world does not have trees, we will die. Do you know why? Because there will be lots of carbon dioxide. We cannot breathe carbon dioxide. So trees make carbon dioxide go into the ground, and then they release oxygen for us to breathe. Do you know how many kinds of rainforests are there? Do you know how many? I just tell you when we just start the lesson. There are two, tropical and Amazon. Amazon rainforests are cool and gains lots of rain, while tropical ones are hot and steamy. So some rainforests in the South America are as big as the United States, so that's big. So now, it's the end of today's video. If you want to watch more of my video, all you have to do is search for my name. T-O-M-M-Y, Tommy. So see ya.